Hi guys, good news. Ang aming bagahe ay na-receive na finally ng aming receptionist dito. So kaya pupuntahan namin and we're gonna get it. So nice. I hope it's 2 bags.
Let's see if everything's there first.
Yeah, I hope so.
Before you celebrate.
Yeah, let's see. Guys, dumating na yung aming dalawang bagahe. Yung baba, nilagay ko under the bed. Here, kung kita nyo black, okay pa. Pero this one is broken. Tingnan nyo, nawala yung one wheel nito dito. So, tatlo na lang. So, medyo mahirap siya. It's because this one is very heavy. Tapos, medyo mahal din siya, guys. Yung paano ba? Pa-repair nito.
Oh, this one that's out.
Yeah.
That's why
Shucks.
maybe cannot be fixed. Oh, there's no hair. Oh, no, there's not on this here. It's only hair.
Yeah. Oh, anyway. So,
Very
yeah.
angry people driving this, huh?
So annoying, but anyway, we got it now. It's good, but it's not good kasi ito yung condition. So then we have to find a way. Maybe we can have it fixed in Philippines.
Let's go on.
Medyo mahal kasi ito, guys. Itong brand na to ba? Samsonite. Tapos maganda din siya kasi hard shell siya. Tapos yung lock niya, hindi siya zipper. Ano, parang clam ba? Kita nyo? So, mahirap siya na ma-open ba? Pero yun nga. Anyway, nakuha na talaga namin. So guys, tingnan nyo naman, si Martin wala pang bihis-bihis yan. Ako naman, buti naman. Oh, very na-amaze si Martin sa electricity dito ba? Spaghetti wiring daw. Oh my God. So guys, hanap tayo ng makakain. Baka lang mamaya konti, I'm gonna eat there somewhere. Or doon na talaga sa building na ano, pinag-stayhan namin kasi may mga food naman doon. But then right now, Martin is just, he's tired and he just wanna eat the food that he knows. So doon tayo pupunta. But after that, maybe I'm gonna buy food doon sa Filipino.
We go to Indian Gaylord.
Haha, so doon tayo sa McDonald's 24/7. Yun na lang. Kasi ano din, masakit din tuhod niya. Masakit din tuhod ko. Ewan ko ba sa kalalakad. Pero at least guys, nakuha na namin talaga yung ano, luggages namin. So that is a good news. Uy!
Så er der noget sur.
Ah, wala. Kain tayo. Chicken na naman. Tapos burger naman.